In this land, even the king walks with caution. He senses movement where nothing should move. The earth gives birth to a nightmare. It strikes faster than any eye can follow. The king fights the grip that tries to steal his breath. He fights alone, twisting, biting, every muscle a refusal to fall. From above, the hunter dives, claws digging in, pulling the coils away. The tension increases as each animal tries to gain advantage.
The battle for leverage continues in silence.
A new shadow enters the scene with quiet intent. With combined presence, the balance begins to shift. The combined pressure begins to alter the serpent's grip. The serpent's grip weakens under the unified effort. The lion begins to free himself from the narrowing hold. United by instinct, they stand as guardians of their territory.